Romana. I'm from Slovak Republic, and I'm an Erasmus student in KARABÜK. I choose Turkey because I have one friend from Turkey. She can speak Turkey, and I also wanted to learn Turkish language. Especially I chose KARABÜK because, in my opinion, it's very good university. It's young, so they have opportunity to be the best university in Turkey, and also all equipment of university is new and very modern. I study here in economics department and also business administration department. I think we have very good lectures. They help us with everything, and it's a very good opportunity for me to study abroad, because I can improve my English and meet new people, make new friends. Also, I think that KARABÜK is a small city, but is a nice city, and there is a lot of opportunity to do something with in some clubs in university, for example, dance club or some sports clubs. And also the near city is Safranbolu, which is a historical and ancient city, and it's very nice because I was there. I think that you should choose KARABÜK for your university, because they have a lot of department. Everyone can choose what they want to study, and also there are a lot of people, a lot of students, and you can do some things together with other people and make new people, going to some clubs and enjoy it here. When I first came to KARABÜK, also I have some problems with some lessons and something like that, but I think it's normal for Erasmus students when they came somewhere abroad. But International Relation Office in KARABÜK and people in this office are very helpful. They help me with everything, and we solve every problem which we have here. And also all people in Turkey in KARABÜK are very helpful for us. They show us Turkish culture and Turkish traditional food, and I tried this food, and it was very good for me, because I see something different from our culture, because in Turkey is another religion, another tradition, different folk dances and things like that.